Today we want to learn how to add target line to the chart, and we want to have control over this line. So sometimes we want to lower it, so let's say 500, and sometimes we want to raise it, so let's say 700. And how can we do it? First of all, we have to start by writing the target. So let's say for this example, let's say 700. Then in cells below our first cell, we just write simple formula equal C2 without any dollars. And we now copy this formula down. And what's happened? Each cells is looking at cells above, and they are going to the first cell. So when we change the value in the first cell, all values in the cells below change. And when we have our data prepared, we can just select whole data, go to Insert tab, and choose column chart data. But we have columns, we want line. So we can select target series, go to Insert tab again, and we can choose from here just line chart. And we have our line. We can also right click this line and from pop-up menu choose change series chart type. Here also we can change type for this series, but we changed it already, so we have our chart, and we can check that when we go change our cell C2, the target line also get changed. We can even calculate average for our data, and we have now average line for our chart, for our data.